Hello students, welcome to your first class. I am Trijit, your chemistry teacher. So, today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1, that is matter in our surroundings. Okay? So let us first see what is matter. What is matter? Matter is everything we can see in our surroundings that have mass and occupy space. So let us first write the definition. What is matter? Matter is anything that have mass and occupy space. So I am writing with the marker. The marker is also a matter since it occupies space and have mass. The whiteboard where we are writing, the whiteboard is also a matter. So matter are that things which have mass and occupy space. So I am going to write some things and we are going to see which of them are matter and which are not. Pen, book, anger, stone, love. So first the pen. Pen is a matter or not? Yes, pen is a matter since it has mass and occupies space. Similarly, book is also a matter. Anger is not a thing, it is an emotion. So it is not a matter. Matters are the things that have mass and occupy space. Stone, it is a matter. And what about love? Yes, it is not a matter since it doesn't occupy any space or have mass. So now we can see that which are matters. Anything that we can see in the universe or in our surroundings, that all are matters. Okay? Air is also a matter. Okay? Because air have mass and we can feel the air. Okay, now see. Okay. Panch Tattva. Panch Tattva means 5 basic elements. Okay. According to ancient Indian philosophy, they say that everything in the universe is made up of Panch Tattva or 5 basic elements, which are, according to ancient Indian philosophy, the Panch Tattva पंचतत्व और 5 basic elements are air, water, fire, sky and earth. These are 5 basic elements or panch tattva. Panch means 5. So there are 5. 1 is air, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember this. Panch tattva means 5 basic elements, and which are 5 basic elements? Air, water, fire, sky and earth. So let us now move to our earlier discussion about matter. Okay, pause the video and write it down. I am going to rub it. Okay. Let us see some facts about matter. So, first we will discuss what is matter. Anything that have mass and occupy space. So matter have mass and occupy space. So matter is made up of some small elements which are known as particles. So right, matter is right here. Matter have mass and occupy space. The second point, matter is made up of small particles. Small particles. Known as particles of always remember this. Matter is made up of small particles, and these small particles are known as particles of matter. Okay. These particles of matter also have some properties. Okay. So now let us see what are the properties of these particles of matter. Depending on the particles of matter, the behavior of matter we can easily identify. So now let us see the properties of particles of matter. Properties of particles of matter. Okay, the first property is particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them. The second property is particles of matter are continuously moving. The particles of matter are continuously moving. And the third property is particles of matter attract each other. So these are the properties of particles of matter. First property is they have space between them. The second property is particles of matter are continuously moving. And the third property is particles of matter attract each other. Okay, these are the properties of matter, properties of particles of matter. So you have to remember this. This will be very useful for the further study of this lesson. So now let us see the state of matter. What are different states of matter? Okay. We all know that basically there are three types of matter, and we have to discuss these. So the three types of matters are solid, liquid, and gas. So we will discuss in the next class about solid, liquid, and gas, and on the discussion of the properties of solid, liquid, gas, we need these three. So remember these 3 points. Okay. Thank you, class.